Work is progressing steadily on the construction of Spotify Camp Nou, a monumental €1.5 billion project poised to revolutionize the experience of attending Barcelona matches. This ambitious endeavor promises to redefine the emotional landscape of enjoying football in Barcelona, setting new standards in stadium comfort, technology integration, and fan engagement. As the project advances, anticipation mounts for how Spotify Camp Nou will elevate the thrill and spectacle of live football, creating an unparalleled atmosphere that resonates with fans worldwide. As revealed by exclusive footage from Espai Héctor, the construction is moving ahead at a promising pace. Significant progress is being made with the installation of massive steel pillars, a crucial step in completing the ring structure for the third stand. Alongside this, concrete reinforcements are being added to the pillars, ensuring the stability and strength of the structure. A similar pace is being maintained in the interior works of the existing stands. Efforts are underway to completely reinforce the old structure, with spaces being cleared for future commercial stores and escalators. The renovation of these areas reflects a forward-thinking vision, blending modern amenities with the iconic history of the stadium. Work is also advancing in the two existing stands, focusing on the entry and exit points for fans, alongside final reinforcements of the staircases before seats can be installed. These areas are crucial for crowd flow, and careful attention is being given to ensuring safety and convenience. One of the most challenging aspects of the project currently lies in the parking lot and the foundational works surrounding the stadium. These areas require meticulous planning and precision to ensure a seamless integration with the overall design, but the construction team is steadily overcoming the complexities. Subscribe now and be a part of our stadium-loving family. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and be the first to explore the secrets, stories, and history behind these colossal structures.